Do you know the moon is going away slowly from our planet? Yes, you have heard it right. The moon is getting 1.5 inches, or we can say 3.8 centimeters farther away from Earth every year. At the very beginning, our moon was only 14,000 miles, or we can say 22,000 kilometers away from Earth. But now, our moon is almost 250,000 miles, or we can say 400,000 kilometers away from Earth. Isn't the fact scary? Is it something that we should worry about? You will be able to figure out that by the end of this video. It is a fact that our Earth used to spin a lot faster than it spins in this decade. And our moon used to be a lot closer to Earth, and now it is farther away. So there is actually a connection between the rotations and distance. Just because each year the moon drifts an estimated 1.5 inches farther away from Earth, the phenomenon puts an impact on the Earth's rotation. The rotation of Earth is actually slowing down in the process. How all these are happening? It's time to find out. Now let's figure out why the moon is moving away from the Earth and how the rotations of the moon and Earth have slowed down. The gravitation pull or tidal force that the moon exerts on our planet creates the tides. This force causes all the water on the Earth's surface that's closest to the moon to bulge out to one side. Because the Earth has a bulge on one side, the moon accelerates slightly towards that bulge. This propels the moon forward into a higher orbit, causing it to drift away. Just imagine, what if one night the moon simply disappeared? If the moon disappeared, Earth's axis would wobble anywhere from 10 to 45 degrees. It will be dangerous for our planet and us. It is because even an extra 10-degree tilt can be the cause of destruction, and especially the climate and seasons will be affected negatively as they will change drastically. With scientific research, it has been discovered that Earth's tilt has changed by about 1 to 2 degrees. The moon has been hanging around our planet Earth literally for 4.51 billion years. And in about 600 million years, the visual size of our moon from Earth will be so small that there will be no full solar eclipses. 1.4 billion years ago, a day on Earth was just over 18 hours because the moon was closer and Earth's rotation was faster. Yes, a day on Earth was not always 24 hours since the beginning. It is believed that it began lasting only 4 hours. Have you ever wondered how scientists measured the distance between our moon and Earth and how they figured out the distance between them is increasing? A short explanation will help you understand this. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin left a mirror behind when they landed on the moon. Scientists use this mirror to reflect laser beams from the moon. This allows us to calculate the distance to the moon. This is how scientists have discovered that the moon moves back a few centimeters every year. Immediately after the Roche limit, the moon was at a distance 3 times the Earth's radius. Based on this distance and the estimated angular momentum, the day lasted only 4 hours. The moon moved away over time, increasing the length of the day. When the planet and its satellite were 30,000 years old, the days lasted 6 hours. When they were 60 million years old, the days lasted 10 hours. So basically, days on Earth are getting longer due to the moon's effect on our planet's rotation. On average, we gain 0.00001542,857 seconds in a day every year. According to recent research, the moon was moving away from Earth more slowly in the past, which means that the amount of time our day gains per year are increasing over time.